So this video begins with a guy on the left side, a driver who lost a piece of debris, but he actually stopped and picked his up like a good Texan. 635 eastbound, right before the express lanes. And on the right side, we've got a black, looks like a small dump truck. It's a white Dodge Ram. Be entering from the access road. He's the villain of our video. So his Dodge Ram had a tarp over the debris. Here's the first piece of debris. Just drove over it, but it didn't. He didn't have it fully covered, so he lost about 5 pieces of debris within this little trip here. Getting into the express lanes, loses another piece of debris coming up here on the right side. And here, pull up and see underneath the express lanes eastbound near Dallas here, you can see his plate and the tarp partially on there, and a piece of drywall is ready to take flight. Tried to get his attention, didn't work. So here's another piece right now flying out, almost nailed me. Here's another one, flew up over the wall into the other lane, westbound traffic. And there's the 5th piece in this video that this driver lost. This is right where the express lanes are ending. It's the end of our video. So one of the things I did was we did call Dallas 911, let them know that he was dropping debris, and then the Star 789 folks can come out and find those pieces of debris also and clean those up. Be safe out there, cover your load, and also one thing, these aren't just pieces of drywall flying around. If it's old drywall, it has drywall screws, so be careful, folks. Cover your load, maintain your 2 or 3 seconds distance. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and remember, driver cams are watching.